Hello, my name is Tandy and I'm addicted to makeup. Hi, how the hell are you? Hey you guys! Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today we're going to be talking about my makeup. And my makeup is extensive, expensive. It's just a lot. And honestly, it just drives me crazy every time I look at something that just screams like just clutter. During quarantine, I'm like decluttering the whole house, right? And my makeup is no exception. So if you guys want to see what's in my collection as well as what I'm getting rid of from my collection, then just keep on watching. But make sure you watch until the very end because I will be telling you how you can win some of my unused makeup. So this is my makeup collection. There's a little bit of rhyme and reason to it, but it's just been accumulating and I just think that it's time to, purge a few things. Up here we have extra stuff that I don't plan on using. Over here is more for like equipment, like tripods, keep my camera in there, lenses, stuff like that. Then I have some printer paper over there for my printer, obviously. I have like some sponges here, my nephew's markers. Got this cool little brush holder for my sister. Then down here I have like lipsticks that I'm going to be purging. Here we have like eyeliners. I think my lip liners are actually on this top shelf over here. I don't have many because there's only like a few colors that I actually like. Then we have lashes. These are lashes that I haven't worn and these are lashes that I have worn. Just try to separate them. So just in case like friends or whoever comes over, family, and they want some lashes, I'll just tell them, okay, go to the one on the right, Then moving down here, I don't even know, I think this one has like primers in it. I'm not particularly sure, but there's just like a cluster of just stuff. There's palettes over here. I try to keep foundations in here. Oh yeah, look at this. We've got some pasties. Not sure why those are there, but yeah, it's just really random stuff over here. Like back here is my brush cleaner, which I should probably throw away and buy another one. If you saw my brush cleaning video, then you know like it's just only good for one use at this point. I just need to buy another one. Mainly like stuff for the eyes in this drawer. And then down here I have like all of my staple lipsticks and lip glosses that I wear often. And over here I've got like my cleaning supplies, brush egg. And here I have I think these are my lids, right? Yeah, I have like a sharpener. I have more sponges over here, palettes. Forgot to tell you guys. And then back here, there's like some powders, loose, and my foundation powders. So yeah, you guys, this is my little section. I have a really tiny apartment, so I just kind of had to make do with what I had. And this is what I'm working with. So let's go ahead and get started purging. Guys, I have to squat because this is super awkward. I'm really tall and out of this frame, but this is the best that I could come up with. Anyway, I think the best thing that I should do is to remove everything out of the shelves and then put it back as I see necessary. So that's what I'm gonna do now. But I'm probably gonna speed through this because I feel like it's pretty like redundant,
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the brightest. Two left feet, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the high side. Think I need to get out, find me in the high tide. Get out of the Wi-Fi, get out of the timeline. I don't need a limelight, just a line of my time. Take me to the
Okay, you guys, I am back. I have all of my makeup laid out on this floor. I wish you guys could see it because it looks freaking crazy. I'm sorry if the audio isn't really good. I just had to turn on the air conditioner because I was getting super hot. It was saying it was like 70 degrees in here. So if the audio is a little bit bad, I'm sorry. I think first what I want to do is start off with the lipsticks, because lipsticks I will hoard. I'm not gonna lie, I am a huge hoarder of lipsticks. I'm actually missing one of my favorite lipsticks, and
it's upsetting me and my homegirl.
by homegirl, I mean, my other Gemini twin. You feel me? I'm trying to make my collection be very minimal, while still having some good staple things that I can create, you know, good looks for you guys, because I do a lot of I do a lot of Instagram tutorials and you guys seem to like that. So you know I'm gonna keep this gloss. This is by Dominique Cosmetics, the lemonade gloss. This formula is so super heavy on the lips. And some of the stuff in here is also super old that I just know I have to throw away. Like this right here, this LA Girl Glazed Lip Paint. Yeah, throw that away, super old. NYC Smooch Proof 16-hour lip stain, super old. Throw those away. So I'm actually gonna just speed through all of the lipsticks because you guys get the idea of what it is that I'm trying to do. Because everything else is pretty much like organized, I'm gonna start putting them into the new containers that I have. I got a lot of these containers from Dollar General. They range anywhere from like $3 to $8. So if you're looking to get your beauty collection organized, I definitely recommend going to Dollar General because they have several options available. Like this one right here was $5 and this one right here is $10. So they just range in pricing, you know. My living room is gonna be a complete mess after this, but that's okay because I'm gonna be organized, complete mess. How about that? Okay, sorry about that, but my camera actually got cut off. Very rude. I apologize. I pretty much did just about everything. Like I organized mascaras and brows in here. Let me show you guys actually like how much I purged so far. So this whole bag right here is stuff that I've gotten rid of. I got rid of a lot, not as much as I wanted to, but I mean, let's start putting this stuff up in. Once again, I got a squat, but I finally got everything together, so let me show you what it all looks like. Y'all, she had, okay? That is it. That is the end. Finally, we made it here. Hallelujah. I do feel better knowing that I got rid of so much makeup. Let me show you guys exactly how much makeup I got rid of. It's a lot. So I got rid of both of these bags, expired, whatever, makeup. Like, it's a lot. It's a lot. Remember in the beginning of this video though, I told you guys that there's gonna be a makeup giveaway? Well, now's your chance to enter to win a whole package of unused makeup from me. And This has stuff like mascara from top brands as well. You got some Tarte in here, Maybelline. Yeah, it's just a whole bunch of stuff in here. I have so much excess makeup that is just ridiculous. I'm obviously not going to give you guys makeup that's old, expired, that I actually use. These are all completely new, like you see still in the package. This is even some lashes. I just want to be able to give back to you guys for tuning into my videos every week. It really does mean a lot to me. But if you're wondering how you can enter into this giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Share this video on your social media platform. Facebook though, I'm not gonna see. I'm just gonna be honest with you, I don't do Facebook. If you have Twitter or Instagram, make sure that you leave a comment with your Instagram handle. That way I can see that you actually reposted and shared this video. Mention me at Tandy and I'll be sure to enter you in the giveaway. This is when the giveaway will close. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of my future uploads. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon.